Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how I create my boring drawing into impressive art with AI. This video will be interesting and informative for you, so don't skip. First, open Discord on computer, then click on server. Click on plus icon on chat box, and then click on upload file. Choose image, and then press enter. Click right button of mouse on the image. Copy link of that image. Then type /imagine. Then click on the prompt option, and then paste that copied link. And then I'm giving some extra command to get better results. After giving command, press enter, and then wait for a few seconds. It will generate image. After completion, choose yourself which you like. I like image 2, but I am not satisfied. So I clicked on V2 to get more variation of image 2. Wow, it looked better than previous. Now I satisfied with image 2. So I clicked on U2 to get full image of image 2. Wait for a few seconds. Wow, it look awesome. Now click on Open in Browser option to save this image on device, and then click right button of mouse on image which displayed on browser, and click on the Save as Image option. Subscribe. I need 1000 subscriber.